Welcome to Destiny Destinations, where the world moves, stories breathe, and every journey begins with wonder.
The morning mist hangs low over the ancient forests of Eastern Europe, muffling the world in a soft, gray blanket. This is Belarus, a country often overlooked, quietly nestled between its more famous neighbors. Here, time moves differently, guided by the slow turning of the seasons, not the rush of headlines. To journey into Belarus is to step away from the noise, into vast woodlands, stork-topped villages, and a capital shaped by history. Its beauty is subtle, the gentle roll of countryside, deep blue lakes, and the quiet dignity of its people. In a world growing louder, Belarus remains an enigma, a pocket of authenticity, where the air is heavy with pine and the silence is alive with the rustle of leaves. This is a journey into a different Europe, defined by quiet moments and genuine connection. We'll travel from the planned streets of Minsk to the wild nature of its national parks. Along the way, we'll uncover stories of medieval knights, Soviet resilience, and the warmth of Belarusian hospitality. This is not a land of grand monuments, but of quiet power and enduring spirit. Belarus invites you to slow down, breathe, and discover a corner of the continent that has stayed true to itself. Welcome to the silent heart of Europe. To understand Belarus, you must first find it, landlocked in the heart of Eastern Europe, bordered by Russia, Ukraine, Poland, Lithuania, and Latvia. This crossroads has shaped its destiny, making Belarus a bridge between East and West. Home to 9.5 million people, its capital Minsk is a modern metropolis, yet the countryside remains deeply traditional. Russian dominates city life, but the Belarusian language is quietly resurging, a symbol of national identity. The landscape is flat and green, dotted with over 11,000 lakes and crisscrossed by rivers like the Dnieper and Pripyat. These waters and forests are woven into the nation's folklore and soul. The land has always provided sustenance and spiritual strength, shaping a patient, resilient people. Belarus's story is one of influence and independence, told through its languages, geography, and enduring spirit. Its small population is proud, its history dramatic, and its connection to nature profound. Here, the geography is not just scenery, it's the foundation of national identity. Belarus is more than a place on a map, it's a living story, waiting for those willing to listen. Discover the quiet strength at the heart of this unique nation. Belarus's history is a tapestry of independence, foreign rule, and resilience. From medieval Slavic tribes and the Kievan Rus, it flourished under the Grand Duchy of Lithuania, a golden age of culture and law. Later, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth brought new influences, followed by centuries under the Russian Empire, which tried to suppress local identity. Through it all, Belarusian traditions endured in songs and stories. The 20th century brought devastation. Nazi occupation in World War II claimed a quarter of the population and razed cities like Minsk. This trauma forged a national longing for peace and stability. After the war, Belarus became a Soviet republic, rebuilt in monumental style, and experienced both conformity and social guarantees. With the Soviet collapse in 1991, Belarus declared independence, stepping into a new, uncertain era. Its journey is one of survival, adaptation, and the search for its own path. Minsk today is a city reborn from the ashes of war. Instead of recreating the past, it was rebuilt as a model Soviet city, wide boulevards, imposing Stalinist architecture, and a sense of order. The city's cleanliness and calm set it apart from other European capitals. Beyond the grand avenues, Minsk reveals a softer side. The Svislach River, cobbled Trinity suburb, and pastel houses evoke its pre-war charm. Parks and green spaces are everywhere. Gorky Park, Chelyuskinets Park, offering oases for families and friends. Here, Community and nature are woven into urban life. The city's peacefulness is its defining feature, inviting you to slow down and observe. Minsk is not just stone and concrete. It's a city of trees, water, and quiet spaces. Its spirit is found in the balance between monumental history and everyday tranquility. In Minsk, the past and present coexist in harmony. To know Belarus, you must leave the city and enter its vast green heart. Forests cover nearly half the country, ancient, primeval, and alive with folklore. The crown jewel is Białowieża Puszcza National Park, a UNESCO site and one of Europe's last great forests. Here, ancient oaks and wild bison, brought back from extinction, symbolize hope and resilience. The bison, or zubr, is a national icon, embodying the wild spirit of Belarus. Rivers and lakes lace the landscape, earning Belarus the nickname, the blue-eyed country. Braslav Lakes and the Pripyat marshes offer pristine waters and rich biodiversity. This deep connection to nature shapes the Belarusian soul and culture. The wildness here is not just scenery, it's a living heritage. In Belarus, nature is both sanctuary and identity. The land's silence speaks volumes. Across Belarus, castles rise from the landscape, reminders of a grand aristocratic past. Mir Nesvizh, both UNESCO sites, are masterpieces of architecture and history. Mir Castles' red towers and lakeside setting evoke centuries of intrigue and resilience. Nesvizh Palace, home to the powerful Radziwill family, dazzles with its lavish halls and sprawling parks. These castles are not just relics, they're living stories, filled with legends of love, loss, and hidden treasures. The Black Lady of Nesvizh, a resident ghost, adds a touch of mystery and romance. Visiting these sites connects you to the folklore and imagination of Belarus. Here, history and legend intertwine, enriching the national story. To understand Belarus, look to its daily life, steady, warm, and rooted in tradition. Local markets like Komarovsky and Minsk are vibrant hubs, filled with the bounty of the land and the hum of community. Babushkas sell fresh produce, farmers offer homemade cheeses, and every transaction is a celebration of the seasons. Food is more than sustenance. It's a connection to the land and to each other. The family kitchen is the heart of Belarusian life. Potatoes reign supreme, especially in driniki, the beloved potato pancakes. Meals are moments of togetherness, stories, and genuine hospitality. Community extends beyond the home. Villages and cities alike value connection and mutual support. Public holidays bring people together in parks and squares. Beneath a reserved exterior lies a deep kindness and national pride. Life here is about simple pleasures, a walk in the forest, a shared meal, and the strength of community. In Belarus, contentment is found in the everyday. In a world of crowded destinations, Belarus offers rare space and authenticity. This is not a country for checklist travelers, but for those who seek subtle beauty and genuine connection. Its untouched nature, silent forests, serene lakes, offers peace and a chance to reconnect with the wild. Here, you can kayak at dawn, walk for hours, and hear only the wind in the trees. History is alive in the streets. Soviet architecture, wide avenues, and monuments tell the story of the 20th century. Belarus hasn't been reshaped for mass tourism. Its hospitality and traditions are real. Travelers are welcomed with curiosity and pride. The most memorable moments come from quiet understanding and unexpected friendships. Belarus is a journey for the soul, a place to slow down and see the world differently. It's a reminder that true travel is about connection, not just sights. Here, authenticity is the greatest treasure. As the journey ends, it's the silence of Belarus that lingers, the peaceful forests, the calm lakes, the quiet city streets. This silence is full of meaning, shaped by resilience and a longing for peace. Belarus reveals a beauty that doesn't shout. It's in misty mornings, honest smiles and shared meals. It's a place untouched by global trends, preserving unique ways of life and deep-rooted culture. In a noisy world, Belarus invites you to slow down and find joy in the small, authentic details. It challenges you to look deeper and see the human heart of a misunderstood nation. The greatest gift here is a new perspective on Eastern Europe and on life itself. Remember the storks, the bison, and the quiet dignity of its people. In a world spinning ever faster, places like Belarus are precious anchors. They remind us of the enduring power of nature, community, and the beauty found in silence.
Thank you for traveling with us. Stay. The most incredible adventures are still ahead.